I started my career at Mesh at Sofine in 2020 when I joined the company as a senior support specialist. I knew some few concepts about Mesh, but at Sofine I really understood what is Mesh in fact. In 2021, my manager Lydia challenged me to be part of a new development team of Mesh solutions. Since then, me and Jean-Michel Marie were creating and expanding the team and also improving the partnership with the vendor of the new Mesh solution. What I enjoy most of my job, I can say almost everything. When I work on something, I will not stop until I figure it out and deliver the best possible solution. This is the best of this area. The key for longevity at Sofine, I can resume in two words: professionalism and love. Without this, you cannot achieve anything. The project that I am most proud of, I can say in every project that I work. But obviously, I'm very proud what me and Jean-Michel did and still doing in this new development team that we are creating at Sofine. For new candidates, my advice is, besides the knowledge, the capabilities, whatsoever, the most important thing is love what you do. You should not be afraid of new challenge and get out of your comfort zone. Try to be a part of the team. Should not be me, myself and I. Promote the teamwork culture. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.